welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Lexi. If you've never been on my channel before, hit the subscribe below so you get notified for every video I do post. But yes, y'all, I'm gonna be showing you how to make this lash shampoo. I also show like my label as well. I don't show how to make it, but I do show how it looks and everything, so if you want to like go off of that. This is my label. I made it on Canva. I just have like instructions, the purpose, caution, and the ingredients. I got all the ingredients off of Amazon from the concentrate. So yes, this is the bottle that I use. I just use this to really like get the measurements for the bottle to kind of go off of that to make my label size. I do show how to make it on Cricut as well as how to print it off of Canva. So again, I already made my label, so if you want me to show how I make it, let me know, comment below, I will do that. But yes, this is how I just uploaded it into Cricut, and then I edited like the size of the length and width that showed on Amazon what it was, so it would fit. And then what you'll do is you'll just print it and cut it like normal. Again, if you don't know how to do that, I do show a bunch of videos on my channel on how you print and cut a bunch of different things. Again, if you want a more explanatory one on this, I can absolutely make that. Just comment below. But yes, this is what I do for the Cricut printing. This is how I printed it off of Canva. Again, I already saved the image of the, again, label I made. I just added it onto like a flyer project. And then I just, again, put 3 on there. I kind of just like guesstimated how big to make them just because it doesn't give you exact size to make it like Cricut does. So again, you might just have to play around a few times, but actually the first time I did it, again, fit just perfect. But yep, I'm just gonna go ahead and print this here. This is how they turned out. They look so good, y'all. I love them. But yeah, so right here, this is a lash concentrate I got. I got it off of Amazon. Again, I will link everything in the description box below. This made about, I want to say 7 or 8 bottles. So if you want to do more, absolutely, again, just purchase more. Again, you can always purchase from like a vendor that you like. I know a bunch of different ones have concentrates you could purchase. But yep, I'm just showing you everything I got. I got 2 bottles of purified water. You can use distilled water as well. That might be better. But again, I just have like a measuring cup and then my cleaned bottles that I have here. But yes, let's go ahead and pull this out. We are going to be measuring 10 milliliters for every bottle. And then you'll add in water for the rest of it. So again, 10 milliliters for every bottle if you use this exact brand. Again, it'll be linked in the description box below. But yes, this is what I use here. And again, you can use different types of brands. This one, actually, I had no problems with my clients or myself, no burning or anything, because I know that's one thing that happens with concentrates. Some of them burn your client's eyes, which again, I've never had a problem with this. But we're going to go ahead and fill it up to 10 milliliter here.
Few moments later.
And once you're done doing that, I'm going to pour that into my little like foamer bottle. Again, only doing 10 milliliter. And then I'm going to go ahead and add water in the rest of the. Now you're going to go ahead and put your top on. I do go ahead and shake it up a little bit. And then you're going to test it on your hand just to make sure it foams good. Because again, some of them may not work, but I didn't have a problem with my again, pack I got. But just test it just to make sure. And then we can go ahead and fill the rest up. Okay, now that we have those filled, we're going to go ahead and add our label onto here. I would recommend to dry out the bottles really good, or again, not use cold water like I did because it kind of made the outside cold. That's all I had was cold bottle water. But yes, you're going to go ahead and just cut your labels if you did on Canva. Otherwise, if you just have it from Cricut, again, you just would, again, don't got to worry about cutting it, which is nice. But yes, we're going to go ahead and place these on the bottle like so. And yeah, I love them. They turned out so good. And they match like the little, like the cleanser brushes and everything.